Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And what is a big question that I am answering on my video show today is configuring the Burp Suite in Android virtual devices. So this is the question, and in this video I'll give you the answers. My name is Michael Joshua, and welcome to my channel for more cybersecurity related videos. Okay, so without a delay, we will proceed. So for a Corellium, as we are seeing it, what is Corellium? For what's the difference between the Android virtual devices and the iOS virtual devices? Today we are going to look into the Burp Suite. Uh, so this is the link. I will share it. Once you go through, you have a nice video how you have to configure after creating the virtual devices. In this guide, like what they have mentioned, so you need to set up a virtual Android virtual devices. So for that, you have to install the Burp Suite Community Edition. You can use your personal, professional version and then or the enterprise edition, anything else. But here we are going to use the community version. Okay, the first and foremost thing is you should connect your host machine with the VPN file. Okay, we have so if you want to know how to create the VPN for Android, so we have already shown you how to create a VPN. Like this is the VPN article. I will tell you for this is for iOS. Now we will move for the Android part. This is entirely mentioned about iOS, iPhone. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Okay. So let me go back. Okay. How you have to do just in the connect option, right? Once you go to connect in the left side of the application, see here. This is connect, right? If I click connect, you will see the OVPN file. Click on that, then those files get downloaded. After that, if you see here, see open GUI connect, VPN GUI connect, you have to import the file. Later, you have to click connect. Then the VPN file get connected. So you will be into the network, and then we have to start our configuration of Burp Suite. So fire up your Burp Suite Community Edition, maybe like professional version, whatever you have. First thing, we have to set the proxy. For that, what we need to do? Go to the proxy, click on options, and we have to go to edit. Then you will see this page, edit the proxy listener. You have to click on all interfaces because we do the similar action for a physical device also. For a physical device, we have to use all interfaces, and then we do a bind to the port 8080. But what's here? Like, see here, the VPN IP which we have shown is 11.10.11.3.2. So why we are want to know this? We have to configure the same in our access point names in the physical device. That's a virtual device, which is a Android, right? So to check that, what we have to do, we have to use they use I if config since they are using a Mac machine. If you are using Windows, you have to use ipconfig and get to know the IP address that is 10.11.3 or whatever maybe. Okay, mostly it would be similar. Okay, then what you need to do once you click all interfaces and set the port, click OK. This pop-up will come. Are you sure you want to listen to all interfaces? Click yes. Immediately you will see this window, this notification will come up and ask you, do you want I want the application to accept, that is the Burp Suite application, to accept the incoming network connections. What is it? To accept the incoming network connection. So you have to press allow. So we have set. Now what we need to do, we have to install the certificates. Okay, without certificates, we will not be able to capture traffic. So what we need to do, we have to download the Burp certificate, then install that in our Android virtual devices. For that, what we need to do, we just go to import, see proxy options. We will go to the option import export CA. Click on this. Okay, then you will see this window. We have multiple options. In that, you have to go to the export, click on certificate in DER format, then click next. What I said, go to export, click on DER format, and then press next. You have to select. See, they have named the certificate as burpca.cer. You can give any names as per your choice and then save it to your desktop, to your host machine. That's a local machine. See, the certificate was successfully exported to your local machine. Click close. Now, the main part, what you need to do, see, you have downloaded to your host machine. Now you want to move that particular certificate to the Android virtual device. Okay, so how you will do it for the physical devices? We do use ADB push command to transfer the certificate from your host machine, that is a local machine, to the Android device. So you can follow the similar way here, ADB push, and you can transfer the file to the virtual device. There is another easy option. Okay, that's a speciality of Corellium. Look at this. There are multiple options they have provided: connect, files, apps, network. In that, you have to just go to the files, just press mount SD card, download. Like for example, if you see, if you use a Linux, how you have to now use mostly try to use comment section, comments to navigate. But when it comes to Windows, see, it would be easier, right? To say GUI, click, 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 and then you can. So I don't say that Linux don't have the option. The flexibility you have with Windows. In similar way, here you just click mount SD card, download, then you have to place it here. That is the download section of Android virtual devices. Next, what you need to do, like see files, you went, you navigate to the location download section. Now you have to press the upload. Okay, so once you click upload, it will be show you one screen, that is your local machine. From there, you have to select the file, burpca.cr, which we have named earlier. You just click that and upload, it will get upload. So don't worry about that. Upload, it will go to the local file. Just click it, upload. It will be very easy, right? You don't have to do any ADB push commands or anything else, just like by clicking the options. Now what we need to do, we need to install the certificate. Uh, so the path is, you have to go to the security, encryption and credentials, then install the certificate, the CA certificate. See here, this is the virtual device. Click install a certificate, then click anyway. So you have to click install anyway. Once it install, you will see here. Okay. Okay, now this has been installed perfectly all right. What we did, we configured the Burp Suite. Now we have downloaded the certificate from the Burp Suite, push that certificate to our Android device, that's a virtual device. We have installed the certificate in the Android virtual device. Now the next step is, we have to configure the APN. So what we do in the physical devices, we do utilize the Wi-Fi connection to change the proxy and port. Okay, through the traffic should pass. The similar way, here they do have some different options that configure the APNs. Access point names, In the access point names, we have to give some proxy name. That's the IP name of our local host machine. We do have the IP, right? After connected to the VPN file. That we have to provide. Okay, so uh, you have to navigate to the location where you have to go. Network set, go to the settings, network and internet, mobile network, advanced, access point names. So once you come to the path, this is the page, access point names. Click this T mobile US. You will see it. Just click on it. Then it will lead to the edit access point. Okay, what we need to do from there, you have to provide the IP address, that is 10.11.3.2 and the port number 8080. If you have confusion what IP that we have to provide, see here, I have already told you the IP address, how to check the IP address. They have mentioned, right, if config run in your terminal to validate it. If you are using the burp in your Mac machine, if it is a Windows, then use it ipconfig and see the IP. Okay, VPN IP. Then you need to mention the same here, that IP address, and the port is 8080. Found it? That's it. Once you configure this, you need to check whether the traffics are generated or not. Okay, you just go to the browser. Now what you need to do, you have to go to the browser of your Android virtual device. Put some any of websites. You just insert, you just try to access the website, google.com or yahoo.com, test.php, vulnweb.com, anything, whatever the website you want to, just try to and look at the traffic generated in your, whether the traffic is passes through your burp suite or not. If it is passing, if you are able to observe that, then that would be perfect. If you don't look at that, if it has some issues, what you need to do, you have to do some troubleshoot. How to do the troubleshoot? The only thing you have to do, just disconnect your VPN, reconnect it. Okay, what I do, just okay, you have to go here, disconnect and reconnect. Then again, try to check the browser using your any applications like Google or Yahoo, whatever the application. Check the traffic in the burp suite. Now you will be able to observe it. See here, so that's a one thing. But even if you have troubleshooted, still you faces some issue. Just check if you are able, if you may not able to reach the HTTPS websites. Certain times, if you don't have the proper trust certificates, still the issue is exist or long lasting. If you are unable to rectify that, then contact your local network. Okay, check your if there is any local network configurations or blocking your virtual device network. Why I'm saying this, certain organizations, even with your physical device, you will not be able to capture the traffic, right? Because there are certain policies created by the organizations. In that case, uh, certain people will do the network traffic capture in the secondary machine where there is no restrictions in place. The your organization has some restriction policies to capture traffic. Those things won't be implemented in the primary machine, or maybe, sorry, in the secondary machine. That is your personal machine. So you can try to check. So check it with different machines before conclude that there is some issue exist in the Corellium. Okay. So these are the problems you might face while capturing the network traffic. Uh, yes, if you have any issues, just try to check it out. So that's all about. So for a Burp Suite traffic capture for Android devices, Burp Suite for non-jailbroken iOS devices, we will see in our next video. So if you have any doubts, just post in the comment section. I'll try to explain you what is your doubt. So yeah, so this is the answer for you regarding the Burp Suite configuration for the Android devices. So thank you. So if you like this video, just press the thumbs up button for more cybersecurity videos, which would be helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel. So we will meet with some interesting topics in the next video. Until then, bye cybersecurity monks. Thank you. Bye.